Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Facebook, right? So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here, and this is exactly similar in the iOS in the Apple phone too, so there is no worries, right? So here you have to click on the three dots. In the iOS you will see on the bottom right side corner, so we will click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that we have to go to the setting and privacy, right? And after going to the setting and privacy, just click on this setting, which is the first option here, and it will take a little bit of time. And here you have to click on the profile setting, right? And here it will take a few seconds to load. And here you can see the feature of blocking, right? This is, so if I click on this, you can see that there is a no person which I have blocked. But if you have blocked some ID or some person, here it will show. And even you can add to the block list, right? So if you want to block someone, you can search from here. For example, if I just want to block someone, right? So just click on the block and even you can block it. So let's say if I block it here, and it will take a few seconds to block that person, right? And here I will just go back, and here you can see that the person has been blocked. And if I want to unblock it, just click on the unblock, and here again click on the unblock, and the person has that ID has been unblocked, right? So this is pretty easy guys. I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did like this video right now, subscribe our channel and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.